How to turn off call notifications on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can turn off call notifications on iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to basically turn off call notifications on your iPad, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the settings app. Now the iPad is not equipped with the phone app, so surely you must be talking about the FaceTime app. So you have to simply go to the FaceTime option from the left hand side of the menu, and on the right hand side you will find all these options at the top, where one of the options says notifications. So tap on notifications here, and all you have to do is just make sure to turn off the toggle right next to alarm notifications in order to disable any sort of FaceTime calls. This way you'll be able to turn off call notifications on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.